நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
In my anger, all my muscles tremble, even the tongue trembles. So where has gone my energy, physical energy now? If you give more importance to the physical energy, one shocking news is sufficient to pull you down. The whole heart is blocked 100%. Just before that, there is no block at all in your heart. 100% normal. 25 years old, young man, very healthy, gym-featured body. One sad news, one grief-stricken news comes to him, he will fall die. He will fall dead. This is how we believe that physical energy is not important, physical aspirations not important, mental holding on to what I need as that has come to me as a blessing is most important for me to hold on to my life until the last minutes. Belief must be in the unseen and abstract. The power of God is there in the things that He has given to you as your deepest wish. The soul is the God's God-given treasure-like thing in which the whole programming of a person is ingrained. A person once born, his soul is completely filled up to meet any eventuality and to bring to life anything he wants. Whenever God wants him to hold on to his blessings, though his knowledge is far inferior, he will not take his knowledge over the wisdom of God that has come to you as a blessing, as his will be done by the Creator, the originator, not by you. So don't raise yourself to the level of God and then dismissing God himself once you are dismissing a belief that you have. Just because you don't have knowledge, never be a denier, don't be a rejecter. Thereafter, there is no way to protect our own souls, our own body, and we will be suffering soulfully, body-wise, both together. I want to get cured of my cancer now. Where from this need arisen? This is from outside world? No. The outside world say you will die. They will give only the figures, the statistics, such and such people, such a population, and in this geographical position, such as the figures they are giving. But what you need cure. You need health. Is it there with the people around the world today? All knowledge put together. Now deep inside your heart, you want to live. You don't want this cancer. Is it there or not? In everybody's mind, is it there or not? It is there. Where from it came? We are deniers, we are rejectors, but where from it came? Give a deep thought to it. We are all blessed people by God. God is not elsewhere, but He is there in you through His soul speaking to you what you require and what you don't need and what you must believe, what you must reject and where you are heading for and how you turn to me for forgiveness because of your rejection and thereafter His mercy because He is oft forgiving. Now the remembrance come to me from within that I must be cured of this disease. I will not succumb to this disease. It is the voice of God. So I have not God with me, but the godliness is there with me. I cannot see God, I have not seen God, but this is godly. So the godliness I am having, I must be relieved of not only the cancer, I must be relieved of all the diseases that the allopathy dictates in its dictionary. All systems would fail, but my mind system will prevail. Up till the last minute, I hold on to the power of my mind. That is important. You hold on to the power. Everybody is suffering from some disease or other. I am also suffering from disease, but I don't mind it. I am totally mindless to my knowledge. I am soulfully mindful to the blessings of God. This is how every knowledge comes from whatever quarters, it is trash to me. What is there coming from within as my dearest need, it is the blessing. That I want blessings of His wisdom I want, not of the knowledge I want to read. I don't want to waste my time reading the syllabus, the knowledge, the hypothesis, and the imaginations of the people. Whatever we read is the subject of the past. What we need is the future. The subject has to evolve, all time to come. So the evolving subject is not a complete subject, half-hearted subject. I don't want to waste time reading the articles. I don't want to waste reading the books. I am not here as a dustbin of knowledge while I am possessing the wisdom of God. When you suffer from a cancer, suffer from gastritis, suffer from kidney disorder, suffering from any disorder, it is the mind that tells you you must be okay and you feel for it and stand by it. Then the life energy starts from building within. In that life energy, the pristine, pure life energy, no disease can exist in your body. Noni is a product, and it is found out by Dr. P.I. Peter. He took it, and it worked for him, and he believed in it. Underline the word believe. He believed in it beyond anything. So this one product, he believes beyond all other medical systems. And this belief